Hi, my name is Joyce Walker with Explanation here in Los Angeles. Today in this video, we are trying to make it easier for you now that the COVID-19 restrictions are being lifted, so you can go ahead and open your business safely. Actually, the stay-at-home order will be lifted tomorrow, May 8th, 2020. And if you're watching this any other day after that, you should have had already thought about it. We are one day ahead of the game, giving you all the pointers you need to go ahead and fix your business before you even open. Hi, I'm back, Joyce Walker here in Los Angeles with Explanation, giving you all the pointers you need to reopen your business safely. The planning for safe reopening your businesses will have to address 5 different areas. And here they are. Number 1 is protecting workers and customer safety. That's basically barriers in between your workers and the customers. You don't know if the customers are healthy, and barriers will stop. They usually call them sneeze barriers. That's exactly what it is. If a customer sneezes or coughs, it's not going to affect your workers. So you're actually helping both ways. Number 2 is ensuring appropriate physical distancing. That is a way that you need to mark the territory where people will stand in your business, how they're gonna wait in certain areas before they enter the business. And that also goes into the third area, which is communicating. Communicating is basically telling the public what they need to do with signs, putting out some little notes on walls. Enter here, stay 6 feet away from the people in front of you. Communicating with the customers, not only telling them what they need to do, but also putting barriers and guides that will make it easier for them to do the right thing. Number 4 is ensuring the treatment that you do to some people will also be done to all the vulnerable people. That comes into the ADA guidelines. Those rules are there for a reason. So you treat differently those who actually need the treatment. And the way you do with ramps, you're gonna have to do it also the distancing for these people. They will require these different treatments. On the next video, we can actually go deep into this subject. But now, number 5 is proper infection control. Proper infection control is not only for hospital, for businesses too. That means someone who's gonna clean and wipe down surfaces, places where people put their hands on, the pens that they sign the paperwork at your business, places where they sit to wait. So that's also proper infection control, separating chairs and put them far away from each other, and also demarcating where people can stand. That's all the 5 things. So protecting workers and customer safety. Number 2, ensuring appropriate physical distancing. Number 3, communicating with the public. Number 4, ensuring the treatment you give to one will be also to the other, and all the ADA that require different treatments, that also has to be addressed. And number 5, proper infection control. So I hope I said everything you need right now. We're gonna go into detail the next videos. We have other videos going on online. We have one that's drywall installation. If you build walls to separate areas, you're gonna need to know about drywall. So one thing will tie into the other. So keep in touch with us. If you know anyone who actually need that kind of assistance to open their business, send this video to them and we can help them. Or if you have a specific question that you don't know how to solve, put your comment below, and I'm gonna be able to read it, and I'm gonna try to come up with certain solutions for you. And that's it. Explanation, logging out. Talk to you later. Bye.